Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 08 May 2018, 07 of hour, 16 of minute and 16 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do CFCS occur in nature, why or why not? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do CFCS occur in nature, why or why not. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do CFCS occur in nature, why or why not. Although commonly regarded as not naturally occurring, halocarbons and chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, do occur naturally and are emitted from volcanoes. As a consequence, we can expect that volcanic activity has a much higher impact on ozone depletion than previously thought. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.